We're back with
You break that bike, Travis.
he's gonna jump a little bike.
You hear me? I'll make you smack you.
Okay.
If you break that, I'm gonna be so mad.
Fucking idiot!
Bubba's, come here. Come here. Oh. Hey, you better stay out of the way too. All right, second try.
Uncle Travis with their bike.
Watch him. Watch Uncle Travis.
Leave that alone.
He's looking at him.
So?
See, look at him.
Leave him alone.
Hey, you two, sit down and get out of Uncle's way.
Get out of the way now. Get over there and sit down. Chill, butthead.
Yeah.
Bubba's, you're gonna get in trouble.
Bubba's gonna fuck you up again.
That was a sick area right there.
Let's do it again.
No, hold on, watch.
Oh.